Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I thought I'd go ahead and finish out this brick wall. It's really pretty easy. I just drew some rectangles at different patterns. If you notice on this wall, there's long bricks and short bricks and long bricks. So what you just do is just kind of offset the long bricks. Doesn't really matter what happens on the ends. And this thing is 2.24 inches wide, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on 2.35. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that and just bring the bricks down. And then just keep going to your heart's content and about the thickness of that wall. So we'll do a couple more. Control D. And then you need to group them together. Control G, or I've just got a hotkey that's just G. And then I've got my other one locked. So I'm going to take my nudge distance, I'm going to set it like on, doesn't matter what you set it on, 20 inches, let's say. And I'm going to move this thing over. And then I'm going to move my bricks up to about there. I could actually move them down a little bit, but you do not want to move the nudge distance. Tell you what, we'll go about right there. Now, select all these and go front minus back. And it's going to take out those interior bricks. And then just nudge it back. Now my new bricks are a little bit thicker than the window bricks. And so it's going to look a little bit funny. But that way it has cut those interior bricks to fit around there. Now my ellipse wasn't perfect. And you can see that everything's not perfect. These bricks overlap. But you could very easily fix that. But that's how I would do that, and that wall is almost completed. I don't know what his plans are, if he's building the exact copy or just a brick wall with a window. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.